In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can hide an unhide taskbar in Windows 11. So let's get started. Right click on your taskbar. So you'll find this taskbar, the one in a white color. If you're in a light mode, this will be in a light or white color. If you're in a dark mode, this will be in a dark color. So simply right click and you'll find the option taskbar settings. And then scroll down and you'll find taskbar behaviors. Click on this drop down and here you'll find the option automatically hide the taskbar. So if you want to hide the taskbar, simply click on that. And now if I'm going to, okay, click my cursor right here on the taskbar, you can see that the taskbar is hidden. So on how we can hide the taskbar, just need to simply move your cursor to the bottom and the taskbar will be back, but this is not yet back. Okay, that completely back, you just need to simply make a right click again and select taskbar settings, then go back to taskbar behaviors and simply uncheck the option automatically hide the taskbar, and that's it. So whenever you're going to move your cursor right here in the taskbar, it will not be hidden because you have just disabled the automatically hide the taskbar option. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.